Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are going to have a look at this NATO strap that I ordered from Amazon. As you can see, it is in very good condition. I have been wearing this for almost a year, and as you can see, it looks just like new, so this is very good quality. It feels very smooth to the wrist. This is the 20mm version, but you can order it in 18, 20, 22 and 24 millimeters. Also, you can choose between various colors, even different patterns. I went with this green military style, but for example, if you like to change your styles, if you have different or more watches, you can order a bunch because it is very easy to interchange them. As you can see, I can take it off just like that, then I can take it through this loop and then through the second loop, and as you can see, this is how you would receive the strap. And then all you need to do is to take your watch and start at 12 o'clock, take it through the first lug, and then you are going to take it behind the watch and go forward. So you're going to take it through the second lug, and then all you need to do is to take it through this metallic loop, and voila, it takes, let's say, under 30 seconds in order to change these straps. So that is why I would recommend to order a couple of them in case you have several watches, especially if you have the same width on more watches, and you can do this 20-30 seconds before actually leaving the house and putting the watch on your wrist. So overall, a great strap that you can enjoy for many years to come. So that was the video, guys, that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. If you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch unboxing videos, you are going to enjoy this channel. As you can see, I have a bunch of other watches that I'm going to unbox, review on this YouTube channel, so I'm pretty sure you are going to like that. And once again, guys, if you like vintage watches, check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. We have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next, guys, and until next time, all the best.